Hello, this is your Oma Yel again, your companion tour guide in your 30s Army mom. Sa Trentahin Army, alam niyo naman ang struggle nating mga 30s na at hindi na bumabata. Pagod na tayong makipag-unahan sa mga pre-orders or nauunahan na tayo ng mga mas bata sa atin. What if sabihin ko sa inyo that you can get an Army Bomb version 4 sealed and may kasamang stand? That's right. Tama kayo ng nakikita. One of my joiners for our Busan Companion Experience this coming June 9-11 will have a chance to win this on our Night 1 raffle. So tatanungin nyo sa akin, oh Mayel, paano ba sumali? Or paano ba ako magkaroon ng chance to win the sealed army bomb? Very simple lang yan, guys. So I only have 3 slots left for the companion tour this June 9 to 11 in Busan. Think of it this way, meaning you have 1 out of 7 chances na panalunan itong sealed army bomb na to na may kasamang stand. So sobrang taas ng odds, di ba? Para to sa mga 25 and above na armies and mga tita armies like me na gusto ng stress-free pilgrimage bago ang concert at festa this coming June 12 and 13 sa Busan. If you're interested to join the raffle and the companion tour, just send a message here on my TikTok or you can also follow me in Facebook, Mom Beyond Bias, to secure your slot and join the raffle. So kung gusto nyo na makita ano nga ba ang itsura ng Army Bomb version 4 na may kasamang stand na pwede nyong mapanalunan if you join our companion tour this June 9 to 11, here is a quick montage before I end this video. Again, this is your Omayel, your companion guide, and your 30s Army. Over and out!